Bumper on. Patch welded in. Got to grind down the welds a little bit, smooth it over, and then paint that up. And we're going to plastidip the bumper and the grill.
Is that the primer or the paint? What goes down first?
This is self-etching primer. So we have self-etching primer, which bonds to the bare metal. And then we have the regular gray primer that I have over here. That goes over the self-etching primer to actually make a bonding surface for the paint. And then we paint, and then we clear. Really should be warmer. Should be warmer for this.
Can't lay down in the garage and do it?
Might need to. I think this is starting to
Watch
watch
up.
up a little bit too. Alright, so it's a little cold outside, so step number 2, plastidip in the grill. Get a little warmth into it. Hopefully this nozzle isn't clogged up. A little bit better. Okay, and finished result of bumper and grill with the plastidip. Could use a little bit of touch up, but looks pretty awesome. And here we got our patch. Eventually we can grind down the welds and repaint it and then clear it. But for the time being, gets the job done. Alright, so I think the grill came out looking pretty awesome. I'm not the happiest with my welds on the patch that we put in the side, but then again, it's been a long time since I've welded anything. Eventually we'll just grind them down, put some filler over it to smooth it out, repaint it, but in the meantime, gets the job done, and besides, it's a Jeep. It's okay. We're going to beat it up later on anyway, right? No luck finding the fog lights, still searching for a set that fits. Surprised it's so hard to find. But anyway, stay tuned for the next part of the build. When I said that I'm not the happiest with the way my welds came out, I mean I'm really not happy at all with the way my welds came out. That's pretty amateur looking right there. And I used to be way better at it, so I'm gonna have to find some metal and start practicing again. And maybe at some point redo this. But I definitely foresee a grinder in this Jeep's near future to smooth that out a little bit.